For the Michael Jackson calf raise, the target is our soleus, which is a deep postural muscle. We're going to set up facing the wall, hands braced, and we want to think about dropping down into a squat. We're trying to keep the shoulder on top of the hip as much as possible and push the knees forward over the toes. From here, I'm coming up onto my tippy toe and then pushing the heel back down to the floor. Again, the aim is not to rock onto the outside of the feet. Keep pushing firmly through the big toe, and we call it the Michael Jackson calf raise because at the top, if you give yourself a little hee-hee, you get more activation into your calves. Try it and see. So we're working Carrie on our KOT calf raise, or the Michael Jackson calf raise as I like to call it. She wasn't feeling much activation in the first round, so what we've encouraged her to do here is to keep the hips forward into extension, so hip and shoulder are now stacked, and Carrie's trying to get her knees as close to the wall as she can, which she's doing a great job of, and then keeping those knees nice and bent as she pushes them over her toes. We then push hard through the big toe and the pinky toe equally, and we're working that deep soleus muscle.